Hey, what's going on, everybody? On my last video, I forgot to show you guys how I removed the race from the fork. I actually just used this tool that separates ball joints. You can get them $10 at Harbor Freight. Just squeeze it in there and press it out, and it comes right out. It wasn't that much of a hassle. It took about maybe like 5 minutes. Alright, and now I'm going to show you guys how I put together these two-piece rims for our ATC build. Alright, so you're going to need your two-piece rims, your tires, you're going to need your wheel bolts, also known as carriage bolts, your valve stems and valve caps. You're going to need your wheel O-rings and some gasket maker. You're going to need your valve tool and some water and soap. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to start by spraying some soapy water onto the valve to help it slide through a little bit easier. Next, what you're going to want to do is thread on the valve tool and pull it through all the way till it pops in. Make sure that you're doing this even, because if it's a little bit off center, it could actually tear the valve. Spray the soapy water on the inside wall of the rim to help with the beading process. Next, put the tire over the rim and grab the rim and pull it up as you're pushing down on the tire to help it get as close to the end as possible. I like to use a little bit of the RTV inside the groove where the O-ring goes to hold the O-ring in place so it doesn't move around as much when you're clamping down the wheels. On the other rim, I like to use a lot of RTV. I go a little bit overboard just to make sure that I don't have any other little air leaks and have to start the process all over again. When putting on the other side, it is really important to make sure that the bolt holes are aligned as straight as possible, because moving around can cause the O-ring to slip and be out of alignment. Also, make sure to spray water around the outside of the wall of the tire to help it set the bead. Just try to keep as much even pressure as you can throughout both sides of the rim as you're clamping them down with the bolts to keep everything aligned. After, make sure to clean off any excess RTV that might have spilled over. And all that's left to do is just apply air. It says use 20 psi to set the bead. You'll know when it's set because you'll hear it pop into place. Make sure to listen out for any leaks. This one came out perfect, just as how it should. If you have any questions, please comment, let me know. My primo had hooked us up with a powder coating and a custom-made seat. We got it back today. These are the results. Everything came out pretty nice. Seat looks awesome. This is pretty much it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.
Smacking.